Hello class 3. How are you children? I think we are meeting after a long time uh, and we have already completed our syllabus. So today we will do a revision class. Take a pencil in your hand and let us do the chapter adjectives. Okay, are you all ready? So, and very soon we are going to have our online live classes also. So I hope from the next week we can meet in Webex. So, but this week let us have the same way we are having the classes. So today we will do a revision class as I have already told you. So open your book at page number 22 if you want. Better if you take out, because this is a revision class. You have already gone through. This is page number 22 of your book. Okay, and we will do adjectives. So by this time I hope that all of you can define the term adjective, isn't it? So what is an adjective? You are very good children of class 3. Okay, I hope you have learned the chapters whatever has been given to you, as you are very good children. Now can you find out an adjective here in the sentence? You are very good children. So which one is adjective here? Good, isn't it? Means I am describing all the children of class 3, isn't it? How are they? What is their quality? They are good, isn't it? What is their quality? I said all the children of class 3 are very good. Students of class 3 are very good. So we are here, I have said good. Good is a quality, isn't it? And the word good is describing you also, describing your quality as a student, as a person, as a child. So here good is an adjective. So now you can define the term adjective, isn't it? Means what is an adjective? Adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, isn't it? That qualifies, that describes. Okay, if I say Ravi is very fat. Okay, if I say Ravi is very fat. So which one is noun here? Or I can say Ravi is a fat boy. Ravi is a fat boy. Here which one is noun? Noun is Ravi. About whom I am speaking here? About Ravi. Ravi is name of a person. So Ravi is noun, isn't it? Now how is Ravi? Ravi is a very fat boy. Here the word fat is describing Ravi. How is he? He is fat. So fat is an adjective here. Clear? Now if I say Sita is an intelligent girl. Sita is an intelligent girl. So here the word intelligent is describing Sita, isn't it? How is Sita? Sita is intelligent. It is a quality that Sita possesses, isn't it? So here intelligent is an adjective. Clear? So I think by this time it is very much clear to you what is an adjective, and you can define an adjective, isn't it? And as well as you can identify an adjective in a sentence. Any sentence can be given to you, and now you will be able to identify an adjective. If I say he is a poor man, he is a poor man. Here the term, the word poor is describing the man, means the person, isn't it? So poor is an adjective. I have seen a big elephant. Here big, that word big is describing the elephant, the physical feature of the physical part of an elephant. So how is it? It is very big. Okay, so big is describing and the elephant here. So big is an adjective. So in the chapter, I think you have taken out page number 22 of your book. So here the chapter is chapter 7, adjective. So here we have done so many exercises also, isn't it? As I can see in page number 23, we had an exercise, complete the following passages using suitable adjectives from the box. This one I am talking about, isn't it? In the box many adjectives are given and a paragraph is given here, isn't it? So a small story is given here, a paragraph is given here, and with the help of this adjective we have completed it. So let me tell you, here we can see the picture in this page. You can see the picture of a dinosaur. So this page is about, this paragraph is about a dinosaur. So here see the first sentence, dinosaurs were dash animals. Okay, now in the box the adjective given are round, cold, slow, long, large, small, tall, sharp, too. Okay, now here with the help of the adjectives given in the box we have completed this paragraph, isn't it? So the word, exact word here we have used is dinosaurs were dash animals, means large animals. Here the word large is describing whom? Describing what? Describing what? Describing the dinosaur. Okay. Now they lived on earth a dash time ago. So they live on earth because these days we can't find dinosaurs, isn't it? So they lived on earth a dash time ago. Long. So long back they used to be on the earth, isn't it? So here long time. So it's given it, this term, this word long is used as an adjective, isn't it? Now people found bones of dinosaurs and put them together to make a skeleton. So what is a skeleton? Skeleton is the structure of our body, structures made of bones, isn't it? So people found bones of dinosaurs and put them together to make a skeleton. So there were different kinds of dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs were dash. They had wings and they could fly. So some dinosaurs were small, describing the size of the dinosaur. So here small is an adjective. They had wings, they could fly. Some dinosaurs were dash. Some dinosaurs were dash. They ate leaves from tree. They were tall. So they were able to eat leaves from the trees. There were other dinosaurs. They had dash teeth. Now describing the teeth of the dinosaurs. So they had, from the box we have found out sharp is given here in the box as an adjective. So they had sharp teeth. They ate other animals. Some dinosaurs walked on dash legs and other walked on dash on, not dash, walked on four. Okay, so some dinosaurs they walked on two legs. Here describing again how many legs? Two legs. So some dinosaurs walked on two legs and others walked on four. Done. Some were very fast but some were dash fast and some were slow. Now it is describing slow, describes their movement, isn't it? Now one has seen a dino. No one has seen dinosaur. So we don't know what color they were, but we think they were again brown. Okay, brown is an adjective here. Now scientists think they died out as climate became dash. As the climate became cold. They can't stay in a cold climate. So some scientists they believe that they died out because the climate became cold. Here the word cold is describing the climate. It's talking about the climate. How was the climate? It is it became cold, isn't it? So cold is used as an adjective here. Understood? I think now the term adjective is very much clear to you, and you can solve any problem given to you. You can make use of the correct forms of adjectives if you are given to do, isn't it? So go through this once again, go through the whole chapter, and thank you. Have a nice day.